Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to extract text from scanned PDF using the Syncfusion OCR library. The Syncfusion .NET OCR library is used to extract text from scanned documents, images, and PDF files. It uses a powerful Tesseract OCR engine. It can be used for a variety of purposes such as converting scanned documents into editable text, creating searchable PDFs, extracting data from documents, and improving accessibility. In this video, I will show you how to create a .NET console application in Visual Studio and add the Syncfusion OCR library to it. I will also demonstrate how to extract text from an entire PDF document, extract text from a region of the document, convert an image into a searchable PDF, and extract text from images. Now, let me create a console app. I open Visual Studio 2022 and create a new project. From the list of project templates, I select the console app and name the project OCR Sample. Then, I continue with the default target framework and click the Create button. Now, my application is ready to use. As a first step, I need to add the OCR library by installing the Syncfusion OCR package. So, I open the NuGet Package Manager. In the Browse tab, I search for the Syncfusion PDF OCR NET Core NuGet package and install it in my application. The package is installed successfully. Next, I need to register a valid trial license key. So, I will open the program.cs file and register the trial license key using the register license method. To know where to generate this license key, refer to the link in the description. Now, I am going to demonstrate how to extract text from an entire PDF document using the Syncfusion OCR library. So, I add the necessary namespaces like Syncfusion PDF Parsing, and Syncfusion OCR Processor to use the OCR library. First, I create an instance of the OCR Processor class. Then, I retrieve the PDF file location and read it as a file stream from the specified location. After that, I create an instance of the PDF loaded document class and initialize it with the file stream object. I set the OCR language as English in order to specify the language for the OCR processing. Now, I will extract the text from the PDF using the Perform OCR method. Next, I create an output file stream by saving the output PDF document. And save the document to the stream. Then, I call the close method to dispose all the memory consumed by PDF DOM as well as disposes its document stream. Now, let me save and run the application. Looking here, when I open the output file, I can extract the text from the scanned PDF document into searchable and selectable. The OCR process returns the text only when the PDF document contains scanned images. If it does not, it will return empty. Next, let me proceed to show you how to extract text from any region of the document. First, I create an instance of the Rectangle F class to extract the text from a specific region. The Syncfusion drawing namespace is imported automatically when creating an instance for Rectangle F class. Then, I declare a new list called Page Regions that will hold instances of the Page Region class. After that, I create an instance for Page Region class. And set the page index property to 0. Then, I set the page regions property with an array of Rectangle F objects. I add regions to the Page Regions list. Finally, assign the Page Regions list to the Regions property. A particular region or several regions of a PDF page will be displayed. Next, let me proceed to show you how to convert the image to a PDF document and apply the conformance level as well. I add the necessary namespaces like Syncfusion PDF and Syncfusion PDF Graphics to use the Syncfusion PDF library. I require an image file and retrieve its location, reading it as a file stream from the specified path. To continue further with clarity, let me comment this existing code. I retrieve the font file location and read it as a file stream from the specified location. Then, I set the Unicode font property. After that, I set the conformance property to specify the PDF conformance level as PDF A1B. Finally, I converted the image into a searchable PDF document using the perform OCR method. Save the document to the stream, and then close the document. When I open this file, OCR can be performed on an image and converted to a searchable PDF document. It is also possible to specify the conformance level. Next, let me proceed to show you how to extract text from an image. To make converting an image to PDF clear by commenting the existing code. First, I will extract text from the input image using the perform OCR method. Finally, I initialize a stream writer class to write to a text file named OCR text. And then write the OCR text content. When I open this file, the text file containing the extracted text from the input image will be displayed. Let me recap what I have shown so far. I showed you how to create a .NET console application in Visual Studio. I also showed you how to extract text from an entire PDF document, extract text from a region of the document, convert an image into a searchable PDF, and extract text from images using the Syncfusion OCR library. If you would like to see the working code of this example, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I've also provided a link where you can see if you qualify for a free community license to use all our .NET products. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.